2011 wasn't the best. I had an ACL operation on my knee and I was rushing and I wasn't fit enough to go to the World really, and I went out there and I didn't do very well because of my knee and stuff, but this time it's completely different. I'm going there fit and healthy and on fire, so I can't wait to go.
And gold is the object, is it, this time?
Yeah, that's the only colour I see in my head, so yeah, well, hopefully I'm just going to go out there, do everything I can, stand on that mat, give everything I've got, no matter what, till there's 1 second left on the bell, and then hopefully if that gets me gold, that gets me gold. So.
You've had a very good run in the last sort of 6 months. You've picked up plenty of titles as well. That must give you confidence.
Yeah, I'm doing alright. I got 5 gold out of 6 competitions in a bronze, so it's a lot of confidence to go into the World Championships. It's not really pressure or not, and it's just knowing I can stand there on the top of the podium and beat the people who are standing there. So if I just do that on one more competition, it's quite good, yeah.
Tell us about the altitude tent, both in the gym and at home.
Yeah, well, the one in the gym, it's horrible to train in. Makes you so tired so quickly, but if these are the acclimatization things we have to do for Mexico, then I'll stay in there 24/7, and the tents that we've got at home, they're not the best to sleep in, and we can't really stay overnight in our mums or anything like that, but it's not that bad, and it's only 2 months of preparation, so it's worth it.
The squad went out to Mexico last year for like a training camp. Is that going to be of any benefit? At least you know what to expect a little bit.
Yeah, we went in January in 2012, I think. But it's not going to be exactly the same. It's going to be completely different because we went into training camp this time. We're going into competition, but hopefully the tents what we've been in and stuff have made us prepare for that and go out there fit and healthy. So.
Have you dared to dream about being world champion?
Yeah, I do.
In your oxygen tent?
I do it all the time. No, obviously I really am looking forward to fighting and stuff, and I am looking forward to see what happens, and I'm just going to go out there and give everything I've got, one round by round, and then if the outcome's gold, then the outcome's gold.